Here's the top news headlines. Ningol Chakoba celebrated with great fervor in Manipur. Manipur separatists declare independence from India. And massive sit-in demonstrations staged in Kuki-inhabited areas. Welcome to News Today at 1 p.m. I'm Loving. Now the news in details. The festival of Ningol Chakoba is being celebrated with pomp and gaiety across Manipur today. Ningol Chakoba is one of the biggest festivals of Manipur, especially the Meitei community. It is a social celebration which is devoted to fortify the bond between married women and their parental families. Ningol Chakoba is celebrated on the Hyanggai Nini Panba, that is the second day of the Hyanggai month in Manipuri lunar calendar. On the joyous occasion, brothers invite their sisters and their kids to home for a grand feast, besides presenting them with gifts to celebrate the festival. An FIR case has been filed against Narengbam Samarjit Singh, chairman of Salai Holding Private Limited, Yambem Biren, and others at Lamphel Police Station. According to media reports, the FIR has been registered against them in connection with the statement that has gone viral in the social media regarding information of an exiled government in London. The report also maintained that the case has been handed over to Crime Branch under the directive of Manipur government, and further it will be handed over to National Investigation Agency for proper investigation. Earlier, self-styled Chief Minister of Manipur State Council Yambem Biren and self-styled Minister of External Affairs and Defense of Manipur State Council Narengbam Samarjit announced before media that they were speaking on behalf of the Maharaja of Manipur Leisemba Sanajauba to formally declare the exiled government the Manipur State Council. The exiled government will be based in central London, they said. They say that the sovereign state of Manipur was excluded from Indian Empire, by the order in council by His Majesty on 27 December 1946, and the Indian government annexed Manipur by violation of the 1949 Act. At a press meet at the Chief Minister's bungalow today, Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren stated that declaring independence from India is totally unconstitutional. Biren said that every activities related to the matter will be thoroughly investigated and action will be taken against everyone involved in it.
Samna Harakanda Masi Kanogi IPC 121, 121A, 121B means mainly waging war against a state. Aduyam Equidam serious in a low habita. Aduna Masigi Magi Matate Que Adugumbamana Sinner Kibawahe Manipur Tongan Natare, Laire, Madu Tore, Astem Loreda, Torrent or Kibudu, Madu Magi Matakta, Zikai sections in Zigi Makada, FIR Ma Impal Wester Koi Resta Tore, FIR number 223/10/2019. Mana Atopa country Mudalaga Mu operator Panina Masiki Kesi Koi. Huzik Kudaki Wina a quick crime branch, the special crime branch state Kida Shinare Aduga Maga Marile never Huziki Summer Jessica Marile never Manatorme activities Karikarino have the Mike within weeks. The special crime branch Namadu identified find out Torokanda any involvement Leramba with Marile Neramba Maga Aduma pushing to आइन की मतुंगिना सरकार न करी तो सिगे बा फिर तुमा मदुगी फाइंडिंग तो रकान कोई लॉक थोरकनी दुग मरक सिदा इखोगी हाइरिबा केसी मापानदगी ऑपरेट तोरकना मरी लेना मरी ओइबनिना कोई सिगे केसी कोई एनआईए दा होजिकी क्राइम ब्रांच की इन्वेस्टिगेशन डिटेल्स में हमसे लोयरो मतुंगा कोई एनआईए दा हैंडओवर तोंगनबा अखोगी होम डिपार्टमेंट की ओइबा प्रपोजल कोई लेरे if required will take the permission from the cabinet adu torokanda masi akhoi kitang seriously deal tawna ba ina sigi message si Manipur ki public ta aduga miyam na pining badagi asi khudaki oina press me se kopjebani.
Meanwhile, in connection to the controversial statement made by Salai Holdings Private Limited Chairman Naringbam Samarjit over declaration of an Manipur exiled government in London that has gone viral in the social media, a press meet was held today at the premises of Salai Holdings Private Limited located at Tera, Imphal. One of the vice chairman of the group, Ilangbam Brojandro, disowned the statement of Naringbam Samarjit, declaring that now he is no more related with the Salai group. Other vice chairmen of the company were also present at the press meet.
Answer we will give you all the answers from all the sections of the society, all the sections of the Marilena, whoever it may be, answer Shapsana Pizagani. The whatever housing yam emotional over moment amaka the legeri, Masima equida Angapa Amani, suddenly surprisingly equid the Piva Masigumba, Messesamo Obenina, equi Matang, see the decament Karigumta, equi Pizaning Dre. Adu Tavatoron Kudimaki, equi Makasa Tazagin and Tamzarisini.
London the Su business setup Tobagi, policy Makada, Rumaina Koi Ada Tambiramaga. International counterpart singer Taroga Hangbagi, Kainum the Sakivani, Aduda, Tole was Yerol Siga, Aquay the Kangiva ideas, Pura Tayona Boiva. Tayana Boivanina, Aquina, Masidi, public Mayangi, Kanosu, interest to Sotanava. Kudakta, chairmanship Tagimase, Aquin Loktoga, Anova resolution Taraga, Kogi, board resolution Lorga. Who will be the chairman, not managing director Kanan, Wagini have said, Koi restriction Rokani, Narang the Gil Toko Barrels and Nasi, Kudakta. See, same the report can see Tom the Yadamina, public the Koi Masi Message preserving.
Hairiba, Nasagi Hairiba, Mu Shidang, Equidi, all of sudden, Equidang Asagi, Yam Tazadana, Equida Karigumama, Equid the Sokama, Equid the Pirabanina, Equida Hairiba Misi, Equidi Salagi, Asagi, Kanusidagi, Equida Masima, Equidi, Lotok Saraga, Equidi Tasingna, Mayangi, says the Equidi, Tongan Tongan Bakui subsidiary, Lady Sing Sigi, Equidi, MD Sing Tongan Tongan, Hakadra, Sir Kanota Toga, Havi Porsi, Equi, Matangi Matung in a Quake, Kanoto Jarakani, Equidi Lady Ba, Nasagi, financial parameters, you did, I Minister of Affairs Makada Labanina, Adugi Porsi, parameter Mayam City, GST can be among the Loina Motok, the Yadavanina, Madu Aqui ready, or a Loina Lazaba, Port Natani, later Yadaba, Aduna, CD, Equina Matam Lakanda, Equidum Madugi, Kanodagi, Equidum Kanotok.
Massive sit-ins were held today in many parts of the hill districts of Manipur. According to our correspondent, the protests were carried out by cookies with regard to the current developments surrounding the ongoing Indo-Naga peace talks. Sit-ins were held at Sapor Maina, Motbung Bazar, Tengnopal and Churachandpur. The protesters held placards conveying that Indo-Naga peace talks must not affect the Kukis. Kuki villages are not to come under Naga Autonomous Council, etc. Let's take a short commercial break, but coming up, BSF Churachandpur organizes a mini marathon break.
Sunrise Enterprises. Buy any type of RO water purifier with heavy discount and get pre-filter free. Servicing of any type of domestic and commercial RO water purifier. Available all spare parts. For details, please contact Sunrise Enterprises, Major Khul near Community Hall, Thangal Bazaar. Open from 8:30 to 6:30 p.m. Mobile number 908-918-9371 or 9436-442-885. or email us at rj_shn@hotmail.com.
Welcome back. The Subsidiary Training Center, BSF Churachandpur, organized a mini marathon race under the theme Run for Unity early this morning. The race started from the junction of Khuga Multipurpose Dam Road and Tidim Road. It was flagged off by the officiating Inspector General of BSF, R.K. Mishra. The marathon run ended at the main gate of STC BSF Churachandpur. About 100 selected students participated in the event. Joint Non-Government Voluntary Organization, Kakching All Kakching Students Union, Women Vendors of Kakching Market and local club organizations jointly held an alert torch rally at Kakching last night with regard to the ongoing Indo-Naga peace process, which is expected to be closed tomorrow. The rally, which started from Kakching Keitel, Irabot Park, covered with various parts of Kakching area. During the demonstration, they shouted several slogans demanding protection to the integrity of Manipur. Kuki Inpi Manipur, in association with different Kuki civil society organizations, Hill Tribal Council, Moray, Kuki Students Organizations, Moray Bloc, Moray Youth Club, and Kuki Women Union and Human Rights, Moray held a mass rally today at border town Moray. The mass rally was staged against the backdrop of the present development on Indo-Naga peace talks and the unfolding political scenario in the state of Manipur. The rally was kicked off from the office of Hill Tribal Council, Moray. A large number of protesters took part in the demonstration, displaying placards that read, "NSCN IM solution should not affect Kuki inhabited areas of Manipur and Assam. No favor to one community at the expense of another communities. We demand earliest solution to Kuki political problem," and others. In this regard, a memorandum was also submitted to Prime Minister Narendra Modi through ADC Moray today. One person was found dead inside a graveyard located in between Yaripok Topchinga and Ningthonai under Andro Police Station of Imphal East today. The deceased has been identified as Laurembam Dineshwar, aged 28 years, from Yaripok Topchinga Oinam Thong Lekai. The police are investigating the incident. Another short commercial break. Stay tuned.
Ningol Singi Akanaba Kumai Ningol Chako Buna Lakpada, Tamabati Emporium na, October Kuntra Fawa Chada Kuntra discount Pizavi. Akak Naba Matam Kaktamak Pizaba discount name. Ningol Singi Makal Kayagi Fige, Wankai fee, Rani fee, blouse, tops fee, Fanik Nachingba Makal Suna Fang Biragani. Ngasi Maglengsen Biraksi, Damabati Emporium, Gari Makalaikai near Pakang Fort. Contact number 7085-186-485 Natraga 7005-946-596.
Hey Lola, nak phone yaw bra?
Yaw eh.
Làm gì mà kéo cầu nè, à vâng.
Ai cầu thu đi.
Manipur ya han ba 24/7 service oiriba lamjing ba cab service namyang gi seva tawjari.
Manipur ki district sing amadi mapal lam sing loina na luhongba amadi atay thodok sing gisu discount pijari. Ningol chakong bagidamak akhan naba hour package discount pijari. Ngasi mag book tobiu hena akupa marol gidamak lamjing ba cab service Nagamapal Rims Road near Nitayananda Temple.
Welcome back after the break. Vigilance Awareness Week 2019 got underway in Mizoram since yesterday. It was inaugurated by Deputy Commissioner of Champhai Alexander V. Chongtu at Government Champhai College Multipurpose Hall. The awareness program was organized to eradicate the rampant corruption, a collective dedication of every person with their level best to curb the menace posed by corruption in the state. The awareness campaign was held under the theme Integrity, a Way of Life. Vigilance Awareness Week is a yearly conducted program in every state. The program was attended by officials from different government departments of Champhai in Mizoram. 5 laborers were killed and another injured in a terror attack in Jammu and Kashmir's Kulgam district yesterday. All of them were from West Bengal. The incident came a day after terrorists shot a truck driver in Anantnag district and targeted people waiting at a bus stand in Sopore. Earlier in the afternoon, terrorists had fired indiscriminately at paramilitary personnel deployed at a school in Pulwama district. According to a media source, police say that the laborers belonging to Sagardigi in West Bengal's Murshidabad were at a local resident's home when the terrorists attacked. Of the 5 laborers, 3 were identified as Sheikh Kamruddin, Sheikh Mohammed, Rafiq and Sheikh Mursaleen. The injured man, Zahuruddin, was taken to Anantnag District Hospital for treatment. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee said that all necessary help will be given to the families of the laborers. As Prime Minister Narendra Modi wrapped up his day-long visit to Riyadh yesterday last night, the joint press statement made an important assertion as it said while the two sides discussed regional and international issues, they reiterated their categorical rejection of all forms of interference in the internal affairs of countries. Since August 5, India has been repeatedly citing that the scrapping of Article 370 is an internal matter and has reacted sharply to comments from any country pertaining to the move. It has argued that Article 370 was a temporary provision in the Constitution and India was well within its rights to change that. The mention assumes significance as Pakistan has been terming the move India's unilateral and illegal actions of August 5. India has clarified that the move had no bearing on the status of the LOC and it was willing to discuss that with Pakistan based on the Simla Agreement and Lahore Declaration in a bilateral manner without any third-party mediation. The unofficial delegation of 23 European Union Member of Parliaments who visited Jammu and Kashmir say that they are not here to interfere in Indian politics. In a press briefing, the delegation also said that they regret the news of killing of 5 workers by terrorists and all problems of Kashmir is linked to terrorism. The delegation also said that they had nothing to do with the Indian politics and they visited the state to meet the common people. They added that work in Jammu and Kashmir is progressing in the right direction. Another leader of the delegation said that they do not want Kashmir to become another Afghanistan. And now let's take a look at the sports news. Bangladesh's captain and top all-rounder Shakib Al Hasan has stepped down from the World Cricket Committee of the MCC, who was suspended for failing to report multiple corrupt approaches. The 32-year-old Shakib was banned for 2 years, 1 year of it suspended for failing to report approaches by suspected Indian bookie Deepak Agarwal to the ICC's anti-corruption unit. The suspension rules the all-rounder out of next month's away series against India and the IPL and the T20 World Cup next year. Shakib accepted charges of breaching the ICC anti-corruption code and therefore does not have the right to appeal against the punishment, which could have been a maximum of 5 years. The MCC World Cricket Committee comprises current and former international cricketers and umpires from across the globe and meets twice yearly to discuss the prevalent issues in the game. The next meeting is due to take place in Sri Lanka in March 2020. The Indian cricket team will play its first ever day and night test match in Kolkata against Bangladesh next month. According to media reports, the test is scheduled to be held in the Eden Gardens from November 22 to 26th and will be the second game of the two-match series. The BCB has confirmed on having a pink ball test. Earlier, the BCCI has introduced the pink ball in Duleep Trophy, and it continued for 3 seasons before the board scrapped it this year due to lack of broadcast coverage. Mumbai City FC will aim to start their home leg with a win over newcomers Odisha FC when the two sides clash in Mumbai tomorrow in their Indian Super League ISL game. As per reports, Mumbai have so far played 2 games in which they have won one and drawn the other against Chennai FC on October 27th last in Chennai. Mumbai defeated Kerala Blasters in an away game in Kochi 1-0. Now let's go through the newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, with no breakthrough in sight. Naga rebel group eyes setting up camps in Myanmar. No breakthrough between Government of India and NSC and IM. Next sitting today. Hundreds stage integrity rallies. Split in NSC and IM after Hukabi. 22 Eastern Nagaland leaders quit. All parties delegation to leave for Delhi. The People's Chronicle. The Naga national political groups ready for final pact as IM, Government of India deadlock continues. October 31st deadline stands, says RN Ravi. Onus on man to curb crimes against women. Manipur leaders in London announce separation from India. All political party team to leave for Delhi today. Centre likely to meet leaders of Manipur civil societies. Imphal Free Press. Uncertainty over Naga peace parley still continues, says the Naga Political Leaders Forum Manipur NPLFM. The Eastern Naga National Workers Forum ENNWF decries solution with economic package. Ching Tam Ningol Chakoba organized. The Naga People's Movement for Human Rights NPMHR submits memo to Prime Minister.
Before we end the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. Ningol Chakoba celebrated with great fervor in Manipur. Manipur separatists declare independence from India. And massive sit-in demonstrations staged in Kuki-inhabited areas. That's all for the news today at 1 p.m. Thank you for watching.